Good evening, everyone. I am Tanvi, and today we are here for the group discussion. And the topic of today's group discussion is job versus business, and we have to discuss merits and demerits of both. And according to me, I think that according to me, business
that poor rich dad poor dad that's a funda giving book. That's one funda is that there's a four quadrants of our life. That's employee, self-employed, businessman, and investor. Investor are the ones invest in the business, and one most important that self-employed category. That self-employed category who are shopkeeper who worked for it. They think that they are a business, not really. He are not a businessman, but businessmen are the one who create a business or an empire which run without him. That's a point. I give a example that there is a Bloomberg company that's create a report on the companies who scammed or other regulatory chances. They reveal the report and the stocks goes down. Stock goes down and they earns. There's a financial terms in the they earns lots of money with that. All know about intraday trading, which more fascinating thing. There's a great business model that he has only a 50 or 60 employees. They ruled a world. That founder has a responsibility of the all company and employees. They face a rules and regulations issue. They close the company for the rules and that pressure will create. Because of that he revealed these scams of the companies. The great powers and great responsibility. The businessmen are responsible for all which done in a business. That you said that pharmaceutical business have a great responsibility and rules and regulations are more than so that businessmen are not easy thing. uh, Employee are not really think that this is a easy thing than business. Which one are hard? That's a life of us.
Both things are perfect in their way because in the job we can earn lots of money with hard work spirit and perseverance, and in the job we also get money, but it is a limited money, limited salary. In the job, if the job is on the right path, we can earn unlimited money and start our new business and grow the business. In the job we are stuck there, and we have to work for someone, and we don't have time to skill ourselves. In the business we can we can hire some skilled person and achieve our dream. And
like you have said, I recently heard about Narayan Murthy has told that we have to work for 72 hours per week. So, what do you think about that? Means, if you are a businessman, you have to really work hard. I know,
yes.
but how anyone could work really that much?
How long?
Oh, okay.
There is a work-life balance.
That's
Yes,
that's
but
also a point that
yeah,
they said that 90 hours of work.
90 72 hours.
My point is that you worked really hard, but the pay scale they get,
Yeah.
they are in the ratio.
Yeah.
There is a big difference. The employee work hard, but though they doesn't get
Much salary.
sufficient salary. They have to increase the salary, and also
Right.
prevents the.
If you want to
employee.
get that much salary, then you can start your business with that profession.
But everyone can't start.
But everyone
Yeah,
can't start.
everyone can't
But
start.
everyone goes there and I want to start a business.
Business.
There is a immense competition and economy will.
Get this.
But there
It
is some
is,
way, na, like
If everyone thinks that no one can start their business, then
there is some
There
way
is a,
that
my point is that
say,
the employee work hard. They have to increase the salary also. They increase of 5%, 0.5%. That's a increased salary. Means expenditure or living cost are higher,
Yeah.
but that cost income are not increases. There is a gap in this salary.
if you think if you are potential, you can means get the money that you like.
I can explain your point that if we all you all are saying that we can't start our business by means as we graduate and like that we can't start our business, so we have the way. First we can do jobs in a corporate sector,
Yeah.
and then we can earn some money, and on that basis we can build our business, so we can run our business like that. It is not means like first only we think that negatively. It is not like that. We don't have family background and we don't have this and that. So by that we can do na. We have that ability. If we have that ability, then we can do it. So firstly we can do jobs, and then we can earn, and then by that we can make our business. If we have the business mindset. So it is not that we background means we have low background or anything.
That's a IT background and
Yeah.
that's a
Yes.
finance background.
We can do by our own. We are not dependent on anyone.
After getting sufficient knowledge, we can start our business.
Yes.
Yeah.
Can
And if you want to secure means if you want to secure your child's future, then you have to start the business.
As-
that's the point. And Sudha Murthy and Narayan Murthy also done a same thing. They did the job and after that open Infosys.
Infosys, yeah.
They achieved a success, but no one, all person have doesn't any capabilities of that. They work for no salary of a 2.5 years.
And in business there is main thing that we have to build trust in everyone. So trust matters a lot in business. And yes, in job we have to do job for someone else, and someone is judging us on that job. And in business it is not like that. It is ours, so we can do by our own, and no one is giving restrictions to us that we have to do in this limit time, and that time limit and this time limit. In job it is there that we have to do on this time limit only, and we have to complete this work on this time. So that our what mind get disturbed by that, and we have to do on that time only. And in business it is ours, so we can make our decision, and we can postpone also, and we can carry on also. It is by our own.
But it is doesn't mean that employee has a more work and then the businessman.
No, there are equal
But
works,
they're equal works. I think that
but ways are different.
ways are different of the businessman and employee. Businessman can't switch off their phone while sleeping. There is a possibility of a night
Calls are there.
calls are there, and in the midnight they have to go somewhere
But
and
he-
solve the problem of the business. And in the employee section, there are some companies who want to harder and 90 hours a day.
In
In
per week.
a week. There is no difference of-
There are only 24 hours.
But in business means in job we are stuck to particular way only, and we are not developing our skills. Innovative thing in us. In job we have to have the knowledge of everything present near us. So by that we are learning, means learning process is going on in the job, in the business.
In the
In the business, in job we are doing what anyone is saying us that do this only, so we are doing that, not means we are not what
We are stuck in the
stuck in
job.
one place only, and we are not having productive mindset in that. In this we have the productive mindset that
Everyone can't build a business now. We have so many people, so many youths, and for employment, we have to work for someone sometimes because we don't have that financial background or something. And sometimes we need that much personality for the business. We need strong communication. We have that skills. Means we always have to ready for to sell or purchase something in businesses. So that's why we have those capabilities. Then our business will be successful.
I think jobs are stability because there is limited time there for work, and in business we have to work 24 hours and give lots of time for business and money also. In the jobs we get salary, and we can plan our things, our personal things also. That I think jobs are more stable than business.
From my point of view, that business are the most speediest way to achieve the financial freedom. As we all know, the business are the most riskiest thing. Um, the it's create the job and helps the economy to boost and achieve the financial freedom of all country members, and that's why I feel that the businessman helps to build the countries towards the superpower. So that's my point. And job are safest way to live and not risky things to do. Those who are not financially support from their family and their background are not business tycoons. So that people. My suggestion is that people firstly go in the job section, and after that they achieve the financial freedom and do a business. They want to that, but they want doesn't want that money or work harder, or want to they want to safe play a safe game. They are certainly go for jobs. Because of that, there are misconception. The business are better than job. Everyone sees that businessman have immense wealth, but no one sees the efforts he took. He took heart and soul in that business. The business are drop. The that all person are also gone down. I stated a example, that's Dhirubhai Ambani. Dhirubhai Ambani are the one who invested the heart and soul in their business. That Reliance Refineries. This is the major contributor of revenue in the Ambani family. So I favor in the business. So that's my point.
And as you told that if you want to start a business, you means you want a family background, financial background, and you told that example about the Dhirubhai Ambani. As you know, Dhirubhai Ambani don't have any financial background. They can start their work with the man who work on petrol pump. So I also think that if you want to grow up, you have to start the business, and government will also help you with the government schemes.
Yes, this also will help the businessmen, but the business are the risk game. Firstly, we understand the business how it works, then do a business. But some people are done a business without knowledge.
Yeah.
They
It's
go
true.
for out of this means there are a immense wealth they want, but they can achieve in the employee background as a CEO of a company and a IAS or IPS.
I think that whose dream is big, so for them that business is too best. Means because of business, they can means whose dreams are big, so they can achieve that. There is not limit of money to them, because if more profit becomes, then they can what they want they can achieve that, and there are so much targets in front of them, so by that target their enthusiasm increases and their mindset also increases, and they work they work on that path that to achieve something. In a job there is not there is not any, what we say, there are targets, but short term targets, not long term targets. In business there are long term targets. Because of that, we our mindset becomes like that we have to do this and it is our business. So we have we are, what we say is that
Efforts.
we are taking that much efforts to do that thing, and in job that is not, because and someone is giving us what orders, we have to follow that, but and we didn't do that with very promptly or sharply, and if there is our business, so we do that thing that sharply, because we know that if we didn't do, then drawback will come in our business. So it is main point for that.
I agree with her because in business we are the boss. We have to do all things, and in the job we have to follow the another instructions, and we have to follow their rules and regulations. That's why we are not achieve our dream, and we are not go to our path. That's our dream. In the business we have to create our ideas, to develop our ideas. There are opportunity to explore the things, I think. Yes.
And I also think that in job we stuck in one place, but in business we can build more business, like one business. So by building more business we can, firstly I said that we can give employment to everyone. So there is a big problem in our India that there is not employment to people. So by that we can give more employment, and we can what we can give means another people the chance to do new things and to create more, and by that they can also they can also have an ability that we can also build a business. If someone background is low, and then also he he take a step for the business, for to take his business on one path, so that another also gets spirits to do that thing.
And we all know that anyone want to become a billionaire or multi-billionaire.
Yeah.
So all things about the jobs and all, we know that we are the citizens of that land that grows Shivaji Maharaj and Shivaji Maharaj and Sambhaji Maharaj and all, and I think.
Okay, to start a business, we firstly